The Skullcandy Crusher ANC2 headphones represent a top-tier evolution in wireless audio technology, designed to deliver an immersive and customizable listening experience. As over-ear Bluetooth headphones, they combine comfort, style, and advanced sound engineering tailored for music lovers who demand more from their audio gear. One of their standout features is the multisensory bass, which sets them apart from typical headphones. This technology allows users to physically feel the bass through adjustable sensory drivers built into the ear cups, giving a tactile experience that can be intensified or softened based on personal preference. This feature transforms music, movies, and gaming by adding a depth and intensity to low frequencies that truly brings audio to life. The Crusher ANC2 also feature active noise cancelling, ANC, which actively reduces ambient noise to create a focused listening environment. This is particularly useful for commuters, travelers, or anyone in noisy surroundings, as it filters out distractions while preserving sound clarity. The headphones intelligently balance ANC with transparency modes, allowing users to stay aware of their environment without removing the headphones, which is great for safety and convenience in everyday use. Battery life is another major highlight. The Crusher ANC2 boasts an impressive up to 60 hours of wireless playback on a single charge, outlasting many competitors in the market. This long battery life means users can enjoy days of uninterrupted music, calls, or media without worrying about frequent recharging. In addition, a quick charge feature provides several hours of playback from just a short charging session, ideal for those on the go. Connectivity is seamless and versatile with Bluetooth 5.0, offering stable and low-latency wireless connections compatible with both iPhone and Android devices. The headphones support easy pairing and can connect to multiple devices, enabling effortless switching between calls, music, and video streaming. The built-in microphone ensures clear voice quality for phone calls and voice commands, making these headphones a practical tool for both entertainment and communication. Ergonomically, the Crusher ANC2 are designed for comfort with plush ear cushions and an adjustable headband that fits securely without pressure, making them suitable for long listening sessions. The design is modern and rugged, enhanced by the Realtree Edge pink color scheme, which adds a unique, vibrant aesthetic inspired by outdoor camouflage patterns, appealing to users who want headphones that stand out visually. The headphones come with an intuitive app that provides full control over sound customization. Users can tweak EQ settings, adjust the sensory bass intensity, and manage noise cancellation modes to tailor the audio experience precisely to their liking.